Welcome to our channel, where today we reveal the quickest and easiest way to cast your vote for the TV Week Logies. Welcome to our channel, where today we reveal the quickest and easiest way to cast your vote for the TV Week Logies. Voting for your favorite TV stars and shows has never been more straightforward, and with this step-by-step guide, you'll be done in no time. First, you need to visit the official TV Week Logies voting website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a device like a smartphone, tablet, or computer ready. Once on the home page, look for the Vote Now button, typically highlighted prominently for easy access. Click or tap on this button to start the voting process. Next, you will be asked to either create an account or log in. Creating an account usually involves entering your email address and setting a password. This keeps your vote secure and allows you to keep track of your selections. Once logged in, browse through the different categories ranging from Best Actor, Best Drama, to Most Popular Show. Here is the fastest way to cast your vote. Select your favorites by simply clicking on the option beside each nominee's name in every category you want to vote for. Pay attention to any instructions, especially if there is a limit on how many votes you can cast per category. After making your selections, proceed to the summary page. This step is crucial as it lets you review your choices before finalizing. If any adjustments are necessary, use the back button to modify your picks. Once you are satisfied, hit the Submit Vote button. You might receive a confirmation message or an email that your vote has been successfully counted. That's it. The entire process takes just a few minutes, but your vote makes a big impact. Remember, voting early ensures your favorites get the spotlight they deserve before the deadline. If you want to streamline things even more, mark the voting webpage as a bookmark for quick access during the voting season. Stay informed about voting rules and deadlines by subscribing to official TV Week Logies updates. Don't miss this opportunity to influence the biggest TV awards night. We hope this quick method makes voting easy and enjoyable for you. At the end of our video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support us. Your engagement helps us create even more useful guides like this one. Thank you for watching and happy voting.